Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well and thank you so much for your love and support so far. I know it's been a long time since I have uploaded my last YouTube video. As I was on vacation, I went to few places and I'll make a video about that very soon. But today we are going to make a very famous and delicious recipe, that is Hyderabadi Chicken Biryani. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to make this chicken biryani at home with easily available ingredients. I'll show you right from preparing the chicken, then frying the onions, then preparing the rice and finally mixing everything together to make the biryani. If you follow this recipe, I promise you will get almost the same taste as you found at a restaurant. So let's see how to make this Hyderabadi chicken biryani. So let's take a look at the ingredients we need to prepare this yummy Hyderabadi style biryani. Today I have taken 4 chicken leg pieces, about 400 grams. Then some spices for marinating the chicken as well as to prepare the biryani. So first I have taken a Hyderabadi biryani masala, then red chili powder, some cumin powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, some garam masala powder and 1 ananas flower or biryani flower. I have also taken about 1 cup of yogurt, again to marinate the chicken. Then ghee, about 2 to 3 tablespoons. Then ginger garlic paste, about 1 tablespoon, again for marinating. Then some fresh mint leaves. Then some coriander leaves. 3 onions roughly chopped. We will fry the onions and add it to the biryani. Then 1.5 cup of good quality basmati rice. Try to take good quality basmati rice because your biryani completely depends on the rice. Then oil and salt as per taste. We will start with marinating the chicken. For that, first we have to make some cuts on the chicken pieces like I am doing, 2 cuts on the both sides, and then try to make 1 cut at the bottom. This will help the chicken to absorb the spices very well. Now we will marinate the chicken. For that, first add yogurt. Then all the spices except the biryani or the ananas flower. Then add ginger garlic paste. Then squeeze some lemon juice. Then add oil, about 1 tablespoon. And at last add some salt as per taste. Now mix everything very well. Try that the marination get inside the chicken. Here I am wearing a glove to avoid the burning and also maintain a good hygiene. Now cover it and let it marinate for like 2 to 3 hours. If you can keep it overnight, it's the best because then chicken will really absorb the spices into it. But 2 to 3 hours will also work. Now we will let the chicken to cook in an oven for about 30 minutes. But if you do not have an oven, then you can also fry it for about 15 to 20 minutes. In the meantime, add about 4 cups of water to the rice and let it soak for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now that our chicken is getting cooked and we have also soaked the rice, so let's prepare the fried onions. For that, first heat up a pot and then add the onions and then add about 7 to 8 tablespoons of oil. You may have to add more oil depending on the quantity of the onions. Now let it fry for about 10 minutes on low heat. Do remember, you have to keep the heat low, otherwise it will burn your onion. As you can see, our onion is almost done, so I will increase the heat just for 30 more seconds and then I will transfer it into a plate with a tissue paper like this and spread it with a fork. Now it's time to boil the rice. For that, heat up a pot. Then add about 6 to 7 cups of water. Once the water is boiling, add some cumin seeds and 1 tablespoon of oil and also salt as per taste. The cumin seeds will give a very nice flavor and the oil will prevent it from sticking. Add the soaked rice and let it boil for 2 to 3 minutes. Once your rice started jumping like this, that means it's done. You can also check by trying to break it into 2 pieces, and if it is easily breakable, that means it's done. Now remove the water, transfer it into a plate and spread it. Our chicken is also ready and it looks really delicious. If you want to eat it, you can eat it like this, but today we are going to use it for the biryani. Finally, it's time to prepare the biryani. For that, first heat up the cooker, then add about 2 teaspoons of oil and 1 tablespoon of ghee. Once the oil is hot, then add a part of the biryani flour. You can also add the whole flour if you want more flavor. Now add the chicken and the remaining part of your marination. If you think it's a bit more dry, then you can add some more yogurt and a bit of water. Now add some fried onions and some coriander leaves and give it a rough mix. Finally add some biryani masala and some mint leaves. As we all know, the Hyderabadi Biryani is all about layers. So first we'll add 1 layer of rice, then we'll add some fried onions, then some mint leaves, and then we'll add another layer of rice, and then again add some fried onions, some mint leaves, some coriander leaves, and finally add some ghee on the top of it. Now we will cook the biryani. For that, close the lid of the cooker. Before closing the lid, remove the whistle and also the rubber, and then let it cook for like 3 to 5 minutes on low heat. After 5 minutes, place the cooker on a pan or a tawa like this and let it cook for 20 minutes again on low heat. And finally, your delicious Hyderabadi biryani is ready. As you can see, the rice is so nicely cooked and also the chicken looks so delicious. Enjoy it with some raita. If you want to know the recipe of the raita, you can comment below. I hope you guys liked the recipe and the video. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get notification about my upcoming videos. See you soon with a new video. Bye bye.